Reading of the photo I just put above this. Not diagnosed with dyslexia yet, but in reading classes, due to delayed reading skills. Miss Teacher, how do you spell the teacher? It's the word of the week on the board. Look up there. So, I'm looking at the board. I can see the alphabet. I can recognize the alphabet. But I can't recognize the words together or the letters together on the board. So, what month it is right now? Don't know. Where the word of the week is? Don't know. Even the day of the week is told on the board. I don't know. Numbers, I can see them. I can understand those. I can understand letters on their own, but together? No. So I stood looking at the board, then went back to the teacher. Me, Miss Teacher, I didn't find it. Teacher, what? It's over there, points vaguely at the board. I try walking near the board again to look. 5 minutes later. Kip, are you still looking for it? Me, with eyes filled with tears. I don't see it. Teacher, don't you know where the weekly word is? We go over it every week during story time. I go to reading classes during story time. Teacher. Oh. Walks over, quite annoyed. It's right here. She's touching it. Moral. How do you expect someone to find a word they can't spell? We look at the board. It's in a little box of the word of the week. Surrounded by so many other words, and even the day is Monday. Looks exactly like the word of the week. So, how do you expect someone to find that when you know they struggle with words?